So you got the best of both.
So you can be on either side. You can have two people presenting from up here, and you don't have to go looking for the little buttons or you know the annotation tools that you find in there.
Yep, you just use the
available. Yep.
Nice.
So if you want to highlight some text, you just grab the highlighter and away you go.
Fantastic.
So, nice and simple. Okay, circle this area. Go to the next slide. Those annotations stay with that page.
Yep.
Once we're finished with it, we can copy those pages back to our whiteboard, and that's taking the whole slide plus the annotations, bringing it back to our whiteboard where we originally started with our meeting notes. And we've got enough pages now. Go back into my whiteboard session, and you can see, you know, we started up here, we wrote some notes. There's our PowerPoint slides, all the information's there. If you wanted to grab some information from your computer, we could be on any web page or any resource you've got available. You can grab a snapshot tool and bring that straight into the session as an object.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Nice and handy. And we can also record the whole thing. So if you had a microphone integrated into your computer, you'd be capturing your voice as well as all your meeting notes. So standard quality gives you 25 meg file for 10 minutes worth of recording, so you can almost email that out. So let's do a quick recording. Go a new page, just here, grab some meeting notes. We'll do the same thing as we did before. Convert that to a font. Search again in Google. And the recording's capturing all of this as it happens. So the only thing that's slowing us down is our web connection here today, but just click on an object, and once it loads, drag it in, close our browser and stop our recording. So if you're doing a process or a procedure, you need to distribute it to a whole team. Just do it as a little video. You can see for a 35-second video, it's only half a meg. Jump into it now, and we'll play it back full screen in Windows Media Player. So you can see the frame rate's a little bit slower. You can go up to a high quality recording if you want to, but the audio would be quite clear. You'd hear everything that was happening. So when we dive out into our browser, you can just see it compresses all the colours, so you get that small file size.
What sort of cost?
Is basically start with the subject.
Yep.
Let's call this just whatever the start. Alright, we do a carriage return, and then another carriage return for a new topic. So this is our next topic. And we enter another carriage return, do the same, we get a new topic. We can also, if we wanted to, just use these buttons here to create sub-branches and just keep these ideas going. And we start getting a visual sort of idea of what's going on. I'll open something that's already been done. So we've got like a budgeting mind map, for instance. So you've got all your branches. You can actually go in there and go into like a focus mode where when you press that particular field, it'll zoom in on the screen. Or you can either focus just on that branch. So we go clear branch focus, and we'll scroll up, for instance, and we just want to focus on that particular branch, move everything else out, keep working on those ideas. When you see this little paperclip, we've got okay, so you can put a whole body of text into that particular field as well, so you can see all this information. That'll come in handy in a second. I'll show you what you can do with that. But before we go there, we're going to enable project management, and this means we can start assigning resources to each one of those subtopics, and we can also then convert it to a Gantt chart. So we can assign start and end dates, parent-child relationships, and so on. You can export that to Microsoft Project, and you can also export to Word, PowerPoint, Excel, a number of other formats. We do a quick export to Word. you'll see here is a document based on all of those fields and topics, that whole body of text that we had before, any comments that were inserted, and you've got a document that you can distribute straight away, and it's all just being developed and working together on.